Hey, what's up guys? FST1512 here, and today we're going to be showing you how to tutorial to Ventoy. So, you're going to head to ventoy.net or this link right here. Get over to downloads and download the latest one, either for Windows, zip one, or this for Linux and Live CD. This is a bit more complicated. So you have downloaded it, correct? So once you have downloaded, you try to make changes. Then you're going to put the USB that you're going to deploy Ventoy on. Make sure it's the correct one because all data will be erased, and then click install. After it's installed, you're basically done. So what you then why am I telling this if it's so easy? Well then, because you can install any ISO file, and I will show you how it appears in the BIOS. You can put any of these straight from here. So I will be switching to the BIOS POV. See you in the BIOS. Hey guys, and welcome to the pre-BIOS menu that this laptop has. So, as I've already disabled secure boot, which you should do too, because else it will not work. So boot menu and USB HDD SanDisk 3.2 Gen 1, basically what your thumb drive is. And Ventoy. So as you can see, I have Arch Linux, I have Linux Mint, and I have the Windows 10 ISO. And just so you see that it works, I'm going to put Linux Mint. Boot in normal mode. Start Linux Mint XFCE 64-bit. Yes, started. So yeah, I'm going to wait until it boots. And here we are in Linux Mint. Thank you guys so much for watching this short tutorial, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!